Hello and welcome back to Wireman's Whimsy. This is alternate number 2 using elements from the June paper pumpkin kit called Full of Charm. I am going to use one of the card bases. I'm not going to cut it I'm just going to use the whole card base. And I'm going to use this beautiful die cut, but I'm going to put it up the other way. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my strawberry slush, and I am going to add strawberry slush all over the back, or the front of this card, like this. And I'm just going to keep coming in and checking to see if I've got enough ink. And I think I want just a little bit more. I want it just a little bit darker in the middle. So I'm just going to add a little bit more ink in the middle. And then I need a bit more ink down at the bottom here too. So we're going to do that. And I'm also going to use one of the banners from the kit. And I'm going to use the stamp from the kit that says Happy Birthday. And I'm just going to pop that down like that. There we go. So the focus on this is going to be completely and totally on the die cut. So I'm going to use adhesive, and I'm just going to pop adhesive. You can use your dots, you can use glue if you want. I'm just going to use adhesive because I find it's quicker for the video. I'm just going to keep adding it in. There we go. Okay. And this is going to go, I think I had it this way up. Nope. I need to figure out which way I had it. There's a very specific way it needs to go so that it fits on the card. There we go, like that. Okay, so we're just going to pop that down like that. And now our greeting, I need just to decide where the greeting is going to go. And I am going to come in and I am going to border, just do the banner cut for the greeting because I don't want it to be that long. So just coming in and cutting down the middle, and I want it shorter, so I'm coming in from the edge to make that banner. I'm debating about doing other blingy things on this, but we're going to dimensionalize this piece. So let me grab a couple of dimensionals. You could put white ribbon behind this. You could put white linen thread. You could use your blends and you could color your ribbon. I like it like this, and because the die cuts are laser cut, the back of them has a slightly, it's like a burnt edge, but what it does is in this case, it totally mimics the gold background in here. So it's 100% coordinates using the back. I'm just adding, this looks just a little bit stark against the background. So I'm just adding just that little bit of color with the blending brush. And I'm going to pop this right down like that. And I'm a little crooked, so I'm just gently going to pick that up, pop it back down. And I'm going to use some of these sequins again and just pop them around, just to kind of bring the eye towards the center, towards the flowers in the middle, and then I'm going to put one there right underneath the greeting. So that is alternate number 2 using elements from the Full of Charm paper pumpkin kit. So thank you so much for watching, and stay tuned for project number 3, or alternate number 3.